This looks like one of its kind of event, curated very well. The decor, the ambience that we created, and the flow of events. It's going to be taking Jito and the North Zone on one step ahead.
Everything is fantastic, and the arrangement is also very good.
My experience at the check-in as well as the board meeting was very good. The arrangement made by R2S is very good. I congratulate Mr. Samuel
Thank you,
and
sir.
all his team.
Everything is properly set. All the hospitalities, everything is fantastic. And as far as the Jito is concerned, it's always raising the bar from last time to the next time. So the same thing happens also here. So we see that definitely the people are on toes, team are working very hard.
And thank you very much to Samuel ji, R2S is global company. Wonderful arrangement at JW Marriott.
It's a very good experience and I think एयरपोर्ट से लेके अभी तक कोई भी जगह नॉट एक भी जगह ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हमको दिक्कत हो यानी अब जब तक जाएंगे जब तक आप लोगों को याद करेंगे थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू
It's nothing short of incredible. I mean, from the creatives to the organization to the execution, there was nothing that was. Everything stood out, which is a rarity. I've done quite a few events, but this is a rarity where you find that everything was stand out. It wasn't that creators stood out, lunches stood out, organizers stood out, presentations, speakers. It was everything. Everything was excellent.
The event has been great. Hearing from such a great set of industry experts, understanding about what can be helped from the economic perspective, it's been an amazing experience. And it was good to meet everybody.
So I've attended few functions, and this was one of the best organized function I would say. I've attended functions in Bombay, in Bangalore, but even our friends from Bombay who are here, they have experienced out of the world arrangement here.
This event has been absolutely spectacular, extremely seamless, very polished. It just doesn't look like you're in India. It looks like a really global event, which is absolutely magnanimous. We have leadership from all over which is here, and it's always a moment of pride when you see and connect with everybody across the country.
Thank you, sir.